Maxim 15. A fool is pleased by flattery, like the inflated heel of a corpse that has the appearance of fatness. Take care not to listen to the voice of a flatterer, who expects cheaply to derive profit from thee, if one day thou failest to satisfy his wishes. He enumerates 200 faults of thine. And true or not, people will speak ill first chance they get. But is that the real thing? And like, we think about it, it's like, why are these people fat? They're supposed to be starving to death. Yeah, as your stomach doesn't work, it can swell and you can be skinny, right? So you can't just look at one feature or something. Oh, somebody's foot swelled up, so there must be over, and people with dead bodies too can make judgments about the person's life. It's like, oh, he's twisting the one way versus the other, or look at this limb or whatever here. It's like, well, cover up the body, put it in the ground, and whatever. Just rinse off the bodies, put them in the ground. Don't put them in like all these coffins that are going to break and create all these lumps in the graveyard. Just be real about it, and just and don't dig up things for rituals. There's people that want to dig up corpses for rituals. They stop it.